right, this is a pretty little spot up at the top of the tramway. I just spotted something to take a picture of. This is a heck of a tree.
Bird of paradise. Yeah.
Is it a real bird? Probably.
No, it's a bird of paradise. It's a flower.
Oh, a bird of paradise flower. Huh. It's a bird of paradise flower.
Lovely.
Yes, well, if you're a gardening person and know something about it, you might like it.
Well, we recognise it.
Yeah.
There you go. Yeah, it's the bird of paradise flower, isn't it? The little orange one. I got it. I got it. This is a